Today I have some foods that I've put together that can help to support people with type 2 diabetes and those looking to control blood sugar spikes. First thing in the morning, one of the best things to consume is a glass of water with lime or lemon, and that just helps in the morning to control a natural spike that we have in our blood sugar. And here I've put together just a simple green juice, and this contains ginger, kale, green apple, which is sweetened with dates, and if I didn't mention ginger as well, with a bit of lime. And then perhaps sort of mid-morning you may want to go for something that's quite satiating, again that's not going to spike your blood sugar levels. You might want something fairly sweet, and I've put together a smoothie. But this smoothie contains half a plantain, because plantain is lower on the glycemic index. And for people suffering with type 2 diabetes, you can get a semi-ripe plantain to use in your smoothies, which will just give you, which will only affect your blood sugar moderately, or even better, you can use a whole avocado or half an avocado, depending on how much of a smoothie you want. And this is just a raspberry smoothie, and I used half a semi-ripe plantain, some raspberries with almond milk, and blended that together. Over here, I've made a big nourishing salad, and you've got all your fibre in there with your greens, your tomatoes, your sweet peppers, your mushrooms, avocado for your healthy fats as well, which is going to help with blood sugar. It doesn't actually spike your blood sugar, most fats, and also some red onion, and I've even put in some dark grapes as well for a little bit of sweetness, and just a big mixed leaf salad. And over here I made a very simple blend of basil leaves with a little tahini, and if you don't know what tahini is, that is a sesame seed paste, bit of lemon, seasoned it with a salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil, blended that together to make this delicious dressing that you can just pour over your salad. And it's easy for you to do these little things at home rather than getting the pre-done dressings, because you know exactly what is in it. It's got no sugars, it's full of your healthy fats, and that just makes for a great dressing for your salad. And for a snack, a lot of people are trying to get off refined sugars, which are quite addictive and it's quite hard, but they want that sweet kick. So here's an idea: medjool date stuffed with your nuts. Very simple, very easy. You only need one date to keep you satiated. And I've just made a natural nut butter, which I've blended raw, and you can just have it as a snack. With your nuts, and it tastes really lovely because medjool dates have that kind of caramelly taste as well, and then you've got the nuts from the fibre, so you've got the healthy fat, and then you've got the nut butter as well, so that helps to curb not only your blood sugar spike, but also your appetite, and gets rid of that sweet craving that you're having throughout the day. So that's just something that I've put together that's really simple, that you can have in a day. And then if you're hungry with other things, you can just add, you can, go for peaches, pears, plums, any type of fruit. But you'll find when you start eating this way, especially if you make your smoothies nutrient packed, because you can add green pea plant protein, clean green pea plant protein, or something like moringa powder, chia seeds even, flax seeds, avocado, you name it, can add to your smoothie, and that's a complete meal in itself before you have a nice big healthy salad. And if you want something cooked at the end of the day, because this is the spring season with the fresh abundance, so I tend to take advantage of the fresh seasonal foods. You can still have like some steamed vegetables, lentils, your pulses, your moderate sweet potato, and still have a completely healthy meal, excuse me, that's going to also curb your appetite, keep your blood sugars low so you're not spiking them all day, eating your starches and your grains. And at the moment, I'm on a raw food detox. And every year I have a spring detox program which I tailor for all kinds of conditions, autoimmune diseases, type 2 diabetes, thyroid problems, blood pressure. And if you want to join that program, I tailor it for you very inexpensively. You work one-to-one with me. You have your own tailored detox plan with all your recipes, video tutorials for 30 days, and then a bonus of 10 days maintenance of recipes to transition back to cooked foods. But it's a wonderful way to detox. It's a wonderful way to regulate your weight gain, and also to bring down those sugar levels if you're suffering with type 2 diabetes and you're struggling. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you again.